Well, hello. Let's look at a big shift happening today. Drones becoming everyday police first responders. Think about this. Over 1,500 U.S. police departments use drones now, often flying them completely out of sight. From New York City to Chula Vista, major cities are already running these proactive, autonomous aerial patrols. So, this brings up a crucial question for us. What actually happens to that footage over your neighborhood? You see, these aren't just flying cameras. They're network nodes packed with thermal imaging and facial recognition. Security researcher Matthew Wollenweber warns this AI tracks us automatically. It's really just mass surveillance with a sympathetic name. And here's the real tension. Police are rolling out this powerful tech way faster than policy can keep up. Without strict data retention limits, temporary flight footage can easily turn into a permanent, searchable surveillance database. We really need to establish firm rules right now before this ubiquitous surveillance just becomes completely normal. So, I'll leave you with this. Will your city regulate the sky before these drones actually arrive?